Hello, good day. This is Mr. Cool, Advanced Automotive Mechanic here in Nigeria. Today we're working on a Mercedes W203, and the problem with the car we got to remove the dashboard. I couldn't cover that, sorry, because it's a very long work and stressful, so I don't have enough memory in my cell phone to be able to cover it. But we've removed the dashboard successfully, and that's it over here. You can see some other of the components. The dashboard is still over there, but the armrest, the arm console is here. So the cause of the leak is actually from the evaporator. I've diagnosed it before and I found it. So watch closely down here. You can see some oil deposits, which is from the compressor, the oil from the compressor. So let me walk you through a little bit so you can get more of it. If suppose you try to replace it, is in the glove compartment that is somewhere around here that I'm covering right now, but we remove it together with the blower motor. So this is how everyone is slated. As soon as you're done with that, you will come over here. You have just 10mm that is holding this bracket in place with it, so as soon as you lose it, you should be able to pull it off from there. But before doing that, you already know that you have the wiper blades and the water collector, which I'm going to show you. This one here, you have to get it out of the way in order to be able to this one off. Okay, while you get this one off, sorry I couldn't cover the video. The thing is, I don't have much of assistant to help me do that, but there are little tiny tabs that actually cover this in place. As soon as you don't need to disengage everything here, as soon as you get in order to get this evaporator out, all you need is to remove the clips. There is two screws that is holding it in place here. Then they have some other clips that are holding it, a clip like this. You can see this one right here. This clip is what it looks like that holds it in place. So as soon as you should do you successfully get those clips that surround it, that clips between here and here up, you should be able to get the evaporator out. And this one also is attached to the right part here. So somewhere here, yeah, somewhere here, it's attached somewhere here. So there is a clip holding it in place, just like you're seeing it. Okay, back to the evaporator. I actually worked on this before, but it still wouldn't have a problem. I mean, wouldn't work correctly. I doubled the seals, but it couldn't hold the pressure when I got I got some pressure inside to check for leaks. The reason here is, watch closely. This the more I get it close, the more it get a little bit bluff. There is this this groove here is over tension, is over stressed when they were trying to tighten the expansion valve to it, and that is it's over topped when they were trying to fasten the expansion valve to it, and that is the joint where it leaks both refrigerant and oil. So it's somewhere around it's around $50 to get a Chinese clone to it, but the owner is currently saying that they don't have such amount of money to get it into it. So, and the way I look at it, looking at this joint here, it has been worked on down here by a local techs, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do in order to have this thing addressed is to get it chopped off a little bit here with a pipe cutter so that it doesn't left any debris inside. Then when we do that, we get another one exactly for C240 W203 into it, and as soon as we get it fabricated back, it should be okay. But anyone we're gonna get replaced with it have to get a very good groove that should be able to clamp correctly with the family with the expansion valve. Anyway, I started working on this car trying to change the expansion valve when I diagnosed it to have a blockage before we started going from here to here. finding other problems that arises. So most of the times working car AC, fixing leak issues is not as simple as it sounds. Some clients will not understand, but some in overseas do. Okay guys, this is your Mr. Cool Auto Fix. Hope to see you on the next one. When you have any AC issues, you can ask me any question on the link below this description, and I'll answer as soon as I have time. Okay, bye for now. This is much I can be able to go. The work is going to continue tomorrow, but I'm not sure I can be able to do any more coverage, except if you want me to, then you can request on the link below. Thank you. See you around. See you on the next video. Bye for now.